Today I'm giving you a fully interactive UI system that you can hook up to almost anything using triggers. Each button press activates its own trigger device, and from there you can connect multiple devices to fire at the same time. That means total control, all from a clean UI system. And the best part? This system is completely free. You'll find it inside my Discord under the Free Stuff section. Join Core UEFN if you want more free assets, verse systems, and tools like this. Before we jump in, I'm including two PSD files, one for the buttons and one for the background. You can use any textures or designs you like, but the texture names must match exactly. I'll show the correct names on screen so you can set everything up properly. Let's get started. Next, you need to create a new folder in your main project and name it UI Menu. Make sure it's spelled exactly like that. Drag all of your images into this folder. For each texture, open its properties and adjust the settings to match mine. Follow the exact setup I show on screen and repeat this process for every texture. Once all the textures are properly configured, we're ready to move on and install the Verse system. Open Verse Explorer. Right-click Content and create a new Verse file. Double-click the file. Inside VS Code, open a file and open the Verse file you downloaded. Copy all content into the new Verse file. Build Verse. Now drag the Verse device into your map. Next, we need a Signal remote device. Configure it however fits your project. I'll be using a legendary Signal remote for this setup. Connect that directly to your Verse device. How to get the remote device? I will just use an item placer for an example. Now we add a trigger device. Each button requires its own trigger, so we'll configure one properly and then copy it for the remaining buttons to keep everything consistent. Whatever you want to activate when a button is pressed, connect those devices to the corresponding trigger. After that, link all the triggers into the Verse system. Now I'll show you an example of how everything looks set up inside my map. As the community grows, I'll continue releasing more exclusive systems and tools for members. Join us today, and thank you for the support.